transmission class. Today we have discussed about the sliding mesh gearbox. In previous class we have discussed about the function of gearbox, types of gearbox. The first one is sliding mesh gearbox. Now we have discussed about the construction and the working of sliding mesh gearbox. These type of gearbox are used in olden days, in which one gear was pulled out and pushed with the another gear to obtain the desired gear. When these gears were pulled or pushed, they had some noise and the pinion may be tilted or broken. Now, the sliding mesh gearbox are absolutely deleted from the transmission system. Before discuss about the sliding mesh gearbox, you should know about the different types of shaft used in sliding mesh gearbox. This part is known as closed shaft. Second one is lace shaft. Counter shaft. Third one is main shaft. And the last one is idler shaft. There are four types of shaft used in gearbox. The first one is this, is known as cross shaft. This is lace shaft or counter shaft. This is main shaft, and this is the idler shaft. This idler shaft is used only for reversing the vehicle. The main shaft have pinion. The main shaft have slide on there or all over. The closed shaft pinion always meshed with the lace shaft or counter shaft of the pinion. So the power is coming from closed shaft to lace shaft to main shaft. Okay. Then welcome to auto transmission class. Today we have discussed about the sliding mesh gearbox. In previous class we have discussed about the function of gearbox, types of gearbox. There are four types of gearbox used in gearbox. The first one is sliding mesh gearbox. Second one is constant mesh gearbox. Third one is synchro mesh gearbox. And the last one is epicyclic gearbox. Today we have discussed about the sliding mesh gearbox. Before going to sliding mesh gearbox, we should know about the different types of shaft used in gearbox. The first one is closed shaft. Second one is lace shaft. This is the close shaft, this is the lay shaft, and this is main shaft. And this is the lay shaft or counter shaft. In between main shaft and left shaft, this idler shaft is placed. This idler shaft is used only for reversing the vehicle. The closed shaft takes the power from clutch, which is connected to the flywheel of the engine. The closed shaft directly not transmitting the power to the main shaft. The closed shaft transmits power from closed shaft to lay shaft to corresponding gear, which is obtained by the gear lever. This gear is mesh, and the main shaft, or which is known as transmission main shaft, gives the output. In sliding mesh gearbox are used in olden days. Because the gear was pulled or pushed with another gear, so there is a much noise, and the pinion of the teeth are tilt or broken. So this type of gearbox are absolutely deleted from the automobiles. Now we have discussed about the working of sliding mesh gearbox. It is a simplest type of gearbox because these gears are pulled or pushed with the help of gear lever, with the help of selector mechanism. The power comes from closed shaft to lay shaft. The closed shaft pinion constantly mesh with the lay shaft or counter shaft of the pinion. The clutch gear, this closed shaft pinion or clutch gear is rigidly fixed with the clutch shaft. It remains always connected to the lay shaft or counter shaft. These are called closed shaft pinion, lay shaft pinion, and the main shaft pinion. The closed shaft pinion moves the lay shaft or counter shaft pinion in opposite direction. It is good practice to remember that closed shaft reverses the lay shaft or counter shaft pinion, but in opposite direction, and the lay shaft or counter shaft pinion are reversed together. The lay shaft or counter shaft pinion are reversed together, but in different speed due to the increase of the gradually decrease of the diameter pinion. तामाने कोन होची तमरो ले शाफ्ट जो पिनियन गुडा को मूवमेंट करिवे ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन रे मूवमेंट करिवे एवं सब गुडा को समान रिवोल्यूशन रे मूवमेंट करिवे नाही। କାହିଁକି ନା ଯୋଉ ଆମେ ପିନିଅନ ଗୁଡାକ ଲଗେଇଛୁ ଲେସ୍ ସାଫ୍ और काउंटर साफ्ट रे ସେ ହଉଛି କଣ bigger than smaller than smaller ओके तो सेही ପାଇଁ କଣ ହଉଛି ସବୁ ପିନିଅନ ଗୁଡାକ କଣ হবে ରିଭର୍ସ ହେବେ but in different speed okay the reverse gear this figure shows the simplified diagram of neutral position of the sliding mesh gearbox in neutral position or in sliding mesh gearbox this figure shows the simplified diagram of neutral position in neutral position when the engine is running when the engine is running the clutch is engaged when the engine is running the clutch is engaged the clutch shaft is meshed with the clutch shaft with the help of clutch hub with the help of clutch hub the clutch shaft gears drives the left shaft pinion or counter shaft pinion left shaft pinion or counter shaft pinion or simply we can say that it is counter shaft gear the counter shaft rotate in opposite direction of the clutch shaft in neutral position no power is taken from left shaft or counter shaft pinion to main shaft the power comes from clutch shaft to left shaft this is the neutral position of the sliding mesh gearbox then come to fast gear for obtaining fast gear we have to select the fast pinion we have to select the fast pinion of the main shaft with the help of gear lever which is operated by the selector cord and selector mechanism by shifting the fast pinion to the corresponding gear which is known as counter shaft low gear the mesh that at the time the clutch shaft takes power from the engine moves to left shaft or counter shaft then come to clutch shaft low gear and this shaft is mesh then the main shaft fast gear takes the power from clutch shaft low gear to fast gear and the transmission main shaft which is the output or which is the transmission system of fast gear or we get fast gear in fast gear high amount of torque is required for starting or moving the vehicle when the vehicle is stationary okay then come to second gear by putting the gear into neutral position and select the second gear of the main shaft with mesh with the corresponding gear of counter shaft second gear hence we get second gear okay then third speed or which is known as top speed at the time the clutch shaft directly connected to the main shaft clutch shaft directly connected to the main shaft with the help of the clutch, which is provided in between clutch shaft and second gear of the main shaft. Hence, we get third speed or top speed gear. These first gear, second gear are in clockwise direction because this is clockwise and the clutch shaft is clockwise direction. Lathe shaft or counter shaft pinion is anti-clockwise direction. When this clutch shaft pinion are matched with the corresponding gear of the main shaft, means this is clockwise direction and the transmission output is clockwise direction. But when we reverse in the vehicle, means reverse gear required. Reverse gear. Reverse gear. In reverse gear, by putting the gearbox into neutral position, in reverse gear, by putting the gearbox into neutral position, a special idler shaft which is introduced in between the counter shaft and the main shaft pinion. So that's why the first and reverse gear. This pinion is called first and reverse pinion. First gear ପାଇଁ ବି main shaft ସେ pinion ଟାକୁ यूज କରିବା and reverse gear ପାଇଁ ବି ଆମେ କଣ କରିବା ସେ first pinion ଟାକୁ ଆମେ କଣ କରିବା first pinion ଟାକୁ ଆମେ यूज କରିବା. ତେଣୁ କଣ କରାହେଇଛି reverse gear ରୁ କଣ କରାହଉଛି जो आइडल shaft ଅଛି close shaft ରୁ जो power ଟା ଆସୁଛି କୋଉଠି left shaft ରୁ counter shaft ରେ ତେଣୁ ଏଇଠି power ଟା କଣ କରୁଛି ରହି ଯାଉଛି. ତେଣୁ ସେଇ ଭିତରେ ଆମେ କଣ କଲୁ जो main shaft ଆଉ counter shaft ଭିତରେ ତାକୁ କାହାକୁ ଆମେ इंट्रोड्यूस करू काहको आइडल शाफ्ट. तेणु से कौन हम जो ट्रांसमिशन जो आपको मिलबो से कौन हम ना एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन मीन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. मोशन कौन हम अपोजिट डायरेक्शन दिबो. केम दिबो ये होची तमर होची कौन क्लॉकवाइज ये हो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. देन आमे ताको कौन करू आइडल शाफ्ट को कमेंट कौन करू इंट्रोड्यूस करू. इंट्रोड्यूस कले कौन हम ये मतलब कौन हिला क्लॉकवाइज. ये क्लॉकवाइज ले कौन हम मेन शाफ्ट जो फास्ट ले कौन हम वर्तमान एंटी क्लॉकवाइज हो. तेणु कौन हम भाइकल ला कौन हो भाइकल ला कौन हो फॉरवर्ड टू रिवर्स हो. बाय ऑपरेटिंग द गियर शिफ्ट लीवर द लार्जर गियर ऑफ द मेन शाफ्ट द लार्जर गियर ऑफ द मेन शाफ्ट is matched with the reverse idler shaft. We get reverse gear. In this way, the sliding mesh gearbox is used. And now, okay, we have discussed in next class the second types of gearbox is constant mesh gearbox. Thank you all.